Hello friends! I am back. Medyo matagal tayong hindi nakagawa ng video pero I am back today with a whiteboard. Ayan siya. And 2 markers na gagamitin ko para sa isang pag-experiment. Tingnan natin kung may enjoy ko to at may enjoy din ninyo yung gagawin ko. Pero basically what I would be doing is explaining financial concepts using this whiteboard para may visuals tayo. Medyo hirap kasi ako sa paggawa ng presentation, ng slides. So, kung i-drawing ko or isusulat ko, baka mas madaling gawin and at the same time, mas madaling yung maintindihan yung mga i-share ko sa inyo. So, for today, I will just be drawing and illustrating why we all need an income protection plan. So, let's go! Pong! Okay, kung ikaw ay nanonood nito, for sure, you are looking for an income protection plan. Or at least, you want to know bakit nga ba natin kailangan to. Kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho, kumikita ka. You are earning an income. Diba? Kasi kung hindi ka kumikita ng pera at nagtatrabaho ka, anong ginagawa mo talaga? Ikaw ba ay nagwo-work or nagwo-volunteer? Ayan. Ngayon, papakita ko kung bakit importante ang isang income protection plan sa buhay natin, especially the moment that we start working. Ito kasi yan. Ikaw to. Siyempre sa stick lang tayo. Ikaw yan, tapos you are earning income. Income. Yan. Tapos, yung income mo na yan, yan yung ginagamit mo for expenses. Diba? Siyempre, meron kang kinikita, meron kang paggagastusan. Some of those expenses would be your daily expenses. Diyan papasok yung food, clothing, transpo, and mga basic needs natin. Second, kung kumuha ka ng housing loan, o kaya ng car loan, yan, kunwari kotse yan, magkadikit yung gulong, yan, loan, or any other loans, diba? Mababayaran mo to kung meron kang income. Thirdly, ay magagawa mo, makakapag save ka din. Ayan. 4. Meron kang savings. Hindi mo ng linya yan. Tapos meron barya. Okay? Tapos, finally, kung meron ka pang extra at nakapag-umpisa ka na, meron ka ring mga investments. Okay, investments. Ngayon, lahat ng mga to ay nagagastusan mo because, again, you have an income. But, there comes a time na pwedeng mawala yung income natin. And that is due to 2 types of reasons, which is una is yung temporary. Temporary. Ito yung kapag ikaw ay nag-resign, ikaw ay na-fire, or na-retrench. Okay? Secondly, is yung permanent na mga dahilan. Unang-una dyan, and huwag ka ma-offend kasi lahat tayo darating dito, if we die prematurely. Prematurely. Or you got totally and permanently disabled due to an accident. Or you got a critical illness na kailangan mo magpahinga ng matagal-tagal. Or finally, ikaw ay nag-retire na. Now, if any of these reasons ay nangyari, your income will be put on hold or talagang wala ka nang kikitain. Wait lang, saan yung marker ko? Ayan, ito. So, ang mangyayari, kung isa dyan ay mangyari, so, ang mangyayari kung isa dyan ang mangyayari. Ang mangyayari kung ang isa dyan ay nag-occur yung income mo, lahat yan, X. Therefore, yung expenses mo, X. Sabihin, yung daily mo, tanggal. Yung loan mo, tanggal. Lahat ng inipon mo, pwedeng maubos. At lahat ng investments mo, kailangan mong i-pull out para meron kang magagamit na pera. So, with this illustration, is it logical for you, for us, to have an income protection plan? Yes, di ba? Of course, yes. Kaya tayo merong income protection plan, kaya meron tayong insurance plans, is because of these things. We never know kung kailan sila mangyayari, but we need to be prepared for them. Especially, itong die prematurely na to. Especially if you are the breadwinner of your family. You need an income protection plan as soon as kumikita ka na. Hindi kailangan malaki. This is the common misconception na nakukuha ng iba about insurance plans or health insurance plans is hindi nila kailangan kasi bata pa sila or dahil mahal. But at the same time, pwede namang mag-umpisa ng maliit and eventually as your income grows, your coverage need to grow as well so that you can cover all of your bases. Ayan. So, kung meron ka ng insurance, good for you, congratulations. But are you sure that it is enough to cover all your bases? Kausapin mo ako at pag-usapan natin para malaman natin kung okay ka na talaga. At kung wala ka pang income protection plan, ano pang hinihintay mo, kapatid? Naantay pa ba nating may mangyari sa isa sa mga to bago tayo kumuha? Again, you don't have to start with a big or expensive na policy. No, hindi kailangan. All you need to do is to ask the right person, ako yun, and get a professional advice kung ano yung perfect na insurance that will fit your goals and your needs sa buhay. Ayun lang. So, kung nakatulong sa inyo tong illustration na to, kung may natutunan kayo, kung nagustuhan nyo yung style, yung drawing ko, kung pangit sulat ko, and everything else, please comment them down below. Comment them below para alam ko and I can know kung ano pa yung pwede kong maitulong sa inyo. Salamat sa panonood. Bye! Okay. Paano magagawin natin dito?